everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back to another clean with me. Today's video, I'm so excited for it because I finally got my new couch and I cannot wait to show you guys. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I have been trying to get a decent sized couch. UPS guy. You guys know I've been trying to get a decent sized couch, one that isn't like torn up from my cats and is not just like a hand-me-down couch. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys my new couch because I'm so happy for it, and then I'm just going to clean up my living room to kind of make it look nice, do some deep cleaning and decluttering in here. Shiloh's supposed to be cleaning her room, but she's doing everything but. Can you relate? But anyway, yeah, let's get to this. Here is my new couch. I am in love with it. I love the colors. The reason we picked this one is because the back cushions don't come off, and that way we don't have to keep adjusting them. I have not tried with these, so I don't know if these are going to come off from like being sat on, but I'm really hoping this couch will not become a new scratching post and will last us quite some time. Anyways, some of the cleanup I need to do in here is around the guinea pig cage. As you can see, there's some hay around here, and also ignore my dirty nails. Well, the paint's just coming off them. But I just have to get the hay up off of the floor from the guinea pigs. Shulip has her toys all over her bed. I'm pretty sure there was some popcorn on the carpet because when we moved this, we found, well, when we moved the other couch, I found a ton of popcorn under it. Speaking of the culprit, you better not, young lady. Nope, nope, nope. I knew she was going to do that. To be continued. This is the reason we can't have nice things.
What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
Yeah, get back up into your key cat bed. Naughty girl. I also want to straighten up this art corner because everyone who watches my videos knows that this is a reoccurring thing no matter what I have in my living room. The doorway needs to be swept up because the movers kind of tracked in some of these helicopters and the carpet's just generally a mess. And it is such a beautiful day outside. And then over here I have a stack of blankets that I need to bring upstairs. I might keep a couple on the couch because I do use them at night. And just everything needs to be swept because there is just hair everywhere. And why is this not closing? That would be why. Ugh. As you can see, my living room is a complete disaster. And wow, that wind chime is just going. But as you can see, my living room is a complete disaster. It needs dusting, organizing, decluttering, and I don't know, I just feel like it is a mess in here. So one of the reasons we have this art corner is because Shiloh is really into art. Every Saturday she does free art classes online, and they do painting and drawing, and we at home also do things like that with her. And we also do a lot of clay making, which is why I had to wash this table. There was just clay all over it. But it always ends up looking a mess because she has yet to learn some organization skills. She kind of just throws things into a pile, and then it just ends up like this. There, I fixed the camera so you guys can see me a bit better. But I'm just gonna go through and straighten this up. I don't really have a place for it, and I don't trust her enough to have it in her room because if there ends up clay all over her brand new carpet, I think I might cry. Anyway, I'm gonna straighten this all up.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I all or nothing.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and this filling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have. Yesterday we could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other, but now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have. I always knew we could do so many great things, so believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing, so hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back.
So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me for another Clean With Me video. I really hope you guys were able to get some motivation from today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed me just cleaning and decluttering my living room. Like I said, I'm just so excited to have this new couch. Next thing what I'll be working on is getting a new coffee table. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know down in the comments below, or just like tag me over on Instagram or message me like some cute ideas. I will leave my Instagram handle down below. It's Simply Being Belle. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It really means a lot. It helps my channel grow. It helps my hobby grow. I also started making crystal jewelry, so if you guys are interested in seeing some of that, I will also post that over on my Instagram. I'm considering like opening up a Etsy store with some of my crystal jewelry, but we will see, because I absolutely love working with crystals now. I made some really cute pendants. Sorry about the wind chime. Who knew it would be so windy today? It's actually a really nice day out, but anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day, and I hope you guys do too, so please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Leave me some comments down below. I have an amazing video for you guys on Sunday. It is a super motivating clean with me. Actually, I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what I'm gonna be doing. For Sunday's video, I'm gonna be tackling these stairs. They are just covered in cat hair, and I realized that my railing is actually super, super dirty. I wiped it down, as you can see, up to a certain point, and that is when I realized it didn't need to be repainted, it just needed to be washed. Kiki. Julep's up there moping. But yeah, all these stairs are covered in cat hair. I haven't vacuumed them since my last video, when I went upstairs and did that. But I'm gonna vacuum those, the culprit, wash the stairs. I think I want to hang up some pictures like on one of these walls. I'm not sure yet. And I'm just gonna be cleaning the upstairs. So if that is something you're interested in, please give this video a thumbs up so I know to make that. Leave some comments down below and consider subscribing. But until then, I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. Bye!
From all those lonely nights and heartbreaks,